Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling nice sweatshirts in a nice way. I can't wait to show you the way they're gonna look in a three different way. In case you like the way I'm gonna style them, you better style them because people will give you compliment. Trust my fashion sense, art and tips as well because you're gonna get that compliment that you deserve. Honestly, people will know because the way I'm gonna make the sweatshirt look is gonna be really cool, really stylish as well. So my coolest, my lovely, my amazing people, let's go. The first outfit is amazing. I like the way the sweatshirt look, very cool, very stylish as well. We'll put scarf underneath the jacket, a bit more stylish. So to keep the sweatshirt a bit more stylish, you can see how the sweatshirt look more plain. That will make it look more stylish, more cool. We'll put flat trousers on, very nice as well, brown. Keep it cool with the brown scarf as well. It make everything look cool, more stylish. I tell you, they're all gonna look really cool. I quite like the way I make it look more stylish, different style as well, elegance, street vibe. Anywhere you want to go, this outfit will take you there and you're gonna get that compliment. I like the way I make the sweatshirt look very stylish, very cool. I didn't know it's gonna look really cool like this. When I put all my fashion sense tips and tricks into it as well, I'm quite happy the way it turned out. Honestly, amazing. The scarf, it complement the trouser complement the shoe as well complement the outfit. It make it look more stylish, elegant as well. You can go anywhere streetwear and cozy as well because in this kind of weather, you need to be cozy. You need to stay warm as well. You don't want to be get cold as well. So you want to be a bit more stylish and cozy as well. So this scarf you will protect you as well in case you're getting cold with the sweatshirt on. You just tie on your neck as well to keep your neck kind of warm as well. And the jacket, you can zip it up if you feel like kind of cold, then it's okay as well. If you don't have the same jacket, I put it on top of it as well. The one you have, you can put on top of your sweatshirt, then you're gonna look really cool, stylish as well. And the shoe I put on, you can see my shoe is white, kind of multicolor on, woman made. If you don't have the same one, you can put pure brown or red shoes on, or white shoe, or black. You're gonna look really cool, stylish as well. I quite like the vibe, honestly. You know when you know you're cool, this is it. The vibe I'm getting, I quite like it. I can't lie you. If you have your own sweatshirt, style them the same way I'm styling mine, you're gonna be cool. And people will know you have good fashion sense. Only what you have to do, on top of your sweatshirt, you put scarf on top of it. You can see, this is my sweatshirt. I put scarf, and before that, again, and I put the jacket on top of it. So everything just makes sense. It keep it cozy and amazing as well. So don't worry, you're gonna be cool, and people will know you have good fashion sense. Let me put my sunglasses on to see how the vibe is gonna go. Is it the vibe gonna look really cool? I don't know. Let's see. Because when you put sunglasses on, you don't know what you gain until you finish. Then you can tell how amazing it looks. Does it not look great? It looks stylish. It looks viral. If I go anywhere, I'll get a compliment. And you see, if you go anywhere, people will give you a compliment. You know why? Because the way the sweatshirt look is amazing. And I make it look more stylish, different vibe as well. Let me give you that 360 again to see how cool it is at the back as well, sideways. You can see how fresh, stylish it look. With the sunglasses, I quite like it. Amazing. Honestly, trust me, if you style your own sweatshirt like this, people will give you compliment because you deserve it. Trust me. Don't forget about to put your roll on, your perfume on, because you're gonna smell nice as well. You're gonna compliment everything, and most of all, you need to press your sweatshirt with the iron. Your trouser, if you squeeze, you need to press them with the iron. Your jacket, it doesn't matter. No, most of the jacket it doesn't squeeze, but if you use it like kind of rough, make sure you press them with the iron. Then you're gonna see how all the details will come out and fresh as well. So my coolest, my lovely people, let's move on to the next. The second outfit is amazing. I quite like the second outfit, the way we make them look. The sweatshirts as well. We put gillet on top of it as well. We put skinny cargo trousers on. Amazing as well. I quite like the vibe. Very cool, very different vibe. Look, does it not look cool? It look cool. It looks simple. It looks stylish as well. I like it, and I can keep more warm, more cozy as well. The way I make this sweatshirt look, me too, I like it. When I'm looking myself, I look like this is really cool. This is really stylish. You see the way we made the sweatshirt look, you can make it even looking really stylish, really cool, really simple and cozy as well. If you have the same sweatshirt or any sweatshirt you have in your wardrobe. You see the way I make it turn out, stylish, cool, and cozy as well. Only what you have to do, put your gear lights on top of it, then zip it up. You stay warm, you stay stylish as well. Anyway, and again, you have to clean your shoe as well and put your black socks on as well. If you put chunky sole loafers on, if you put trainers on, you can put any socks on. That's cool as well. For chunky sole loafers, you need to put them because the color of the shoe, you have to go with the trousers as well. The color of the socks, you have to go with the trousers as well. So keep it a bit more stylish vibe as well. Honestly, I can't lie. If I step out like this, people will give me a compliment. Me too. I quite like it. You know, you don't know until you put them on. This is why the fashion sense and tricking actually go for me is another level. I didn't know how they're gonna turn out until when I put them on. When I put them on, I'm quite happy. My mind just feel it full of joys and happiness and cool because when I'm looking myself in the mirror, I'm quite happy the way it turned out. I'm not even expecting the same the way it turned out, but when I put them on, I'm quite happy. And the joy I'm getting, I want you guys to get the same joy as well because you're gonna be cool. Trust me. If you used to have your own sweatshirt like this and you step out, people will give you a compliment because people know how cool you look, how stylish you look, and you're gonna be happy inside your heart, from your soul. And that's what I want to happen to you. That's what I want that to happen every day you step out. I want people to give you compliment left or right because you deserve it. Because they can see how cool your outfit look on you. Because the outfit, the way I put my outfit on and the way you're gonna put your own outfit on, it speaks to people and people kind of look like, I think it look cool, it looks stylish. Because the outfit is already speaking to them and you don't even know. And the way they're going to be returning back, like, the way they will be looking at you like, you're cool, you're stylish. And they will be smiling. Or they will tell you, they will give you that compliment because you deserve it. Trust me, because it happened to me. So if you have your own sweatshirt, style them the same way I'm styling mine. Because they're all going to give you a compliment. And the sweatshirt is very nice as well. Very cozy. And the materials, very thick as well. It keep you cozy. Inside is very soft and nice as well, smooth. So it's going to keep you more warm as well, more stylish at the same time. So you can go anywhere. So you all win. Let me give you guys 360 to see how cool I am. I like this. Honestly, I can't lie you. I'm liking the vibe. I don't know to put the sunglasses on. Let me try. Just to let you guys see how it's going to look. In case you don't like sunglasses, so I want you to be kind of comfortable, like have the boldness enough to put your own sunglasses on. Look, does it not look cool? It look cool, it looks stylish. So my coolest, my lovely, let's move on to the next. The last one is amazing. I quite like the way the sweatshirt look, very stylish, very cool as well. You see, I put different trousers on, green one, very cool, and with the chunky sole loafers, white one on, and my jacket is in my hand, black one. In case you're feeling cold, your jacket is there, you put it on top of it. Or if you know, look, does it not look cool? The way I made the sweatshirt look amazing. I quite like it. Honestly, very different vibe. Coolest streetwear as well. I want you to look cool because I can see the way the sweatshirt look cool on me. Very stylish as well. Make sure you press your sweatshirt with the iron. If you have the same one, white one, press them with the iron. Any color you have, press them with the iron. See the way I put them together, how cool it is. Very stylish. Color wise, amazing. You can copy as well. You can try them as well. And you're gonna look really cool. If you step out, people will know you have great fashion sense, and people, they will give you a compliment because you deserve it. I don't want to keep that fashion sense trips and takes to myself. I want you to look cool. You see how cool I am right now? I like the vibe. Honestly, I like this sweatshirt. It gives me that kind of clean, fresh, simple vibe, and I can go anywhere. You can go anywhere, any event you want to go. This sweatshirt, it will take you there, and people will know you have great fashion. Say sure you adjust your hair, spray your gel, you do all kind of amazing stuff to hair because your hair is gonna make everything looking really cool. Forget again, put your roll on, your perfume, the one you can afford, put them on because you're gonna smell nice and people will smell you. Plus the way the sweatshirt look cool on you, they will give you compliment because they will look you again and again. Oh, that guy is cool. They want to come and have a cool, nice conversation with you because you deserve it. I don't want to keep that fashion say. I keep repeating myself because I want you to look cool because your happiness is my joy. If you want to go on a date and you go on a date like this, if your date first saw you, it will first happy with you, happy, smile, and you too, you're gonna get that kind of joy inside. So, and if you go on a dinner with someone, this they will look you like that. It's cool, it's amazing. What about if you step to any event and if people see you, they will look you like that guy is cool. I like his vibe. Don't forget to put your wristwatch, your bracelet, your ring, your necklace. You need to put them on. The accessories is master as well. You don't need to be loud one. It can be little, it can be tiny, it can be chill one. Just put them on. The one you can afford, put them on because you're gonna look really cool, stylish. Because if you don't put all those accessories on, it's gonna be looking like kind of simple. Simple in a very bold way. I don't tell like kind of boring, but it will look kind of fresh vibe as well because the outfit is already simple on its own, but you need to bring it in out. You need to bring the outfit out. You need to let people see the creative of the outfit, the way the sweatshirt looks. Then if you add all those details like bracelet, ring, wristwatch, your sunglasses, you pull them on, it's gonna give you to different level and people will know how cool the sweatshirt look and they'll be happy. What do you think? Does it not look cool? It does. Let me check again. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This is amazing. Honestly, I quite like it. I can't lie to you the way I'm feeling right now. I didn't know it's gonna look really cool like this, but I'm happy the way it turned out. So this is why when I step out, I'm getting compliment from left, from right. I can tell how people feel. They can feel the vibe. They're happy the way the style look on me, and I want that to happen to you because when you step out, I want you to get lots of compliment because you deserve it. Because I want you to be happy inside. Anywhere you want to go, I want people to recognize you. I want people to give you a compliment because you deserve it. So, my coolest, which one do you think you like? The first one, the second one, the last one? Go to the comment section, drop the comment, and I'll be happy. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the loved one, family, and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you. Lovely, amazing, coolest, beautiful, handsome people another day. Take care.